What's up guys, we're here in Khao Sok National Park. We just got here yesterday afternoon and right away I booked an overnight tour here at the Bungalows and it's been insane already. We went on a hike into a cave through the jungle. It's crazy. We're just here kayaking, just enjoying this nature right here. Khao Sok National Park is amazing here. After spending a few days in Phuket, I took the bus down to Khao Sok National Park and I think it was just a few hours from there. I actually heard from a friend to go down there and see this place because it's super amazing. The hostel provided the overnight lake tour. It was basically 2 days and 1 night. You get in a boat and they take you around Chao Wan Lake and you stay in floating bungalow houses. No Wi-Fi at all when you're down there. So you really just get in touch with nature and everything. I believe I paid about 3,000 baht. For me, it was totally worth it. There was no other experience like that. The first time going on the boat through the lake was just insane. You just see giant limestone cliffs everywhere. It was just like you arrived wherever King Kong lived. It was just insane. The first time seeing those bungalow houses, I couldn't believe that we were gonna stay there for the night. It was super basic. They just had one bed in there, but when you just walk out the door, you see the water right in front of you. Super nice. It was super warm. Oh my gosh. Woo! It's crazy. Oh, it's hot. Can you feel me diving in?
Got you, bro.
I don't know how to dive, but I'll try.
3 out of 10, bro.
Like that. We got settled into the bungalows and they provided lunch and everything, and then we went on this trek through the jungle and into a cave. This is so cold. Oh, it's cold. They made us like trek through water, through rivers, through mud, deep into this jungle. We're in a cave. The crazy entrance. Look at this. That's crazy.
Right now.
Whoa! Oh, dang! Look.
looks crazy in there. It's a tunnel.
Whoa. Crazy. What? Yeah, at the end of the trail, there's this cave that you can go inside, and the water goes right through it. So it's basically a river cave. All you hear is just water rushing. After the cave trekking, they took us around some places and we got to see the sunset. By night, it just started raining. You could just hear nature the whole night. We woke up early to catch the sunrise. It was this really nice pink sky and everything, with morning fog everywhere. It was so epic.
Kayak a little bit. Yeah. Where's the monkeys?
By day 2, we went to another part of the lake with a different cave. We did a bit more cave trekking. And after that cave, it was kind of like our last ride through the whole park. We got to stay in the boat for a few more hours and just go around and just see everything before leaving. Khao Sok was one of those places where you don't plan on going, but after visiting, you're so glad that you decided to go down there. It was definitely one of the more memorable places that I've ever been to, just on the sheer landscapes and just how beautiful everything was. Thanks for watching, everybody. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and like this video, and we will continue on the next one. We'll see you guys later.